Hi there, welcome aboard. I'm Joe, and I'm excited to introduce you our top-rated water descaler, a powerful tool for removing and preventing limescale buildup. Many customers are curious, how does it work and what's inside in our shiny body? So today, let's unveil the magic behind our descaler. It's the mysterious 10 alloy chips in the shape of a grain or a piece. It'll be a secret no more. Wow! Wow! You can take a peek inside. Do you like it? I like it. Our innovative design places 2 spoilers and 10 alloy chips inside of our descaler. As water goes through our descaler, it will guide it to optimal contact with our chips. This will help it to maximize to release the free electrons to disrupting the combining process of magnesium and calcium into limescale. So with our water descaler, so now you can say goodbye to the limescale buildup and say hello to worry-free water. So thanks for keep following our products, and you can subscribe our channel if you haven't. So see you later. Bye bye.